Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another unboxing for you. This is the pinchme.com unboxing. This is a free website where you get free samples, you try them out, and then you do like a survey at the end of it. And so every month they send out free samples. So every month you gotta check on their exact date and their exact time, or a lot of times the samples will go like that. So this one, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but all you do is you can easily just go online, fill out the survey or your profile update, and then that fun stuff. So let's get into it, shall we? Now, I did already cut the tape, but I don't know what's in here, so let's find out, shall we? Okay. So we have some cat treats. Come here, Pear. Some cat treats. Come here. Trying to get him up here. So he's gonna love those. He's already sniffing. So these are Muse Creatables. So we're gonna test those. And if he don't like them, I can always give them to Reese and Diesel if you know. Ooh. Flaked salmon. Flaked salmon. So knowing him, he'll probably eat these. See, he's whining, which means he wants them. So after I'm done with this, he'll pretty much eat them. And some natural salmon gravy. Obviously, this whole entire thing is all cats. So, and then that's what they are. Coupon. And basically everything you need to know about pinchme.com. So, will I definitely use this? Yes, I will definitely use this on the cat. So, I will update you. I mean, these are all grain free and everything. So, and with my kitty, I'm sure he's gonna love them. Right now, he's looking at me like I'm on a mommy. But other than that, have a great day, guys. Like I said, this is the first Pinch Me box that I have gotten in a while. So, let's hope that they continue, because I love getting these boxes, especially for nothing. So, alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video, which hopefully should be in a week or two, hopefully. So, alright guys, have a good day. Bye.